Hello dear friends and welcome to this video. I am Diego and I'll be showing you how to install the Geforce GTX 1050 Ti graphics card. Okay dear friends, as you can see, here is my computer, and the first thing you have to do is to check that the energy supply is off. Alright, once you have done so, you have to remove the left side panel, and for that try to use an appropriate tool like this. Don't use a knife or something that can cause a damage to your computer or to yourself. So let's go. Let's take this off, and here it is. It should look like this, right? So let's unbox our graphics card, which is right here. It's this one, and you have to put this into your motherboard, which is here, and you have to check that this little thing has to coincide with the PCI Express you have in your motherboard. So once you have localized it, you have to take this and just introduce it in there, right? So it should be like this. It's quite easy. Don't worry, you are not going to break it. Then you have to press the graphic card until you hear a noise, a little sound, and then it will be totally installed. There it is. Alright dear friends, this is the result. This is how it should look like. And one thing I forgot to mention is that you have to remove the brackets right here so you can connect your HDMI and so on. Alright dear friends, there it is. Before you close everything, I recommend you to connect the energy supply so you can check if the installation was made successfully. So turn on your computer and you have to check if the graphics card is running, and in this case it is. So it is done. Beautiful. And that's all dear friends. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you soon.